Hello friends, welcome back to my next video. And in this particular video, we will be demonstrating one portal which is called as a Onco PPI portal. Whereas going ahead with respect to Onco PPI, you can just go through in the Google search and try to type as a keyword that is Onco PPI portal. And this Onco PPI is nothing but you will got the different protein-protein interaction, and you will find the proteins interactions, and also you will find the different interaction network with respect to cancer types. That is nothing but it is mentioned as onco over here. So what is there in the onco ppi portal? We will going to see ahead by demonstrating it, whereas you will find the research people with respect to what is onco ppi in this particular link which is be there in the pubmed. So you can just click on this particular link and you will find what actually they have been mentioned in Onco PPI and what are the different methodology they have been carried out for performing the analysis, and also building ahead with respect to different data sets by giving a search over here. So you can find the paper in this particular PubMed link. Whereas going ahead with respect to what is Onco PPI portal, you can just go through this particular link which has been highlighted over here, and you will also find the different user guide so that it will help you for the different tutorial purpose. So we will just click on this particular portal and we will just begin towards the portal demonstration. So I have clicked this particular link, and whenever I click this particular link, I have got this particular page which is called as the home page of the Onco PPI portal, and you will find the different informations itself in this particular home page, which will be giving a broad information. That is, Onco PPI portal is nothing but a translating genomic data into protein-protein interaction network for therapeutic manipulations. So welcome to Onco PPI portal. So here you will find a little bit glimpse about what actually this particular portal will be useful for you, who those who are the researchers who are actually working in the field of cancer, and also which they are interested for designing the interaction network in the form of system biology, and further moving ahead in the form of genomics based analysis and integrating with the clinical data so that they can find advocable targets with respect to experimental validations of that particular drug, and also you will get the particular clinical evidences for the same. So here you will find that is this site provide a platform to facilitate discovery of a new mechanism to control the tumorigenesis through the integration of genomics, pharmacological, clinical, and structural data with the networks of cancer associated protein-protein interactions, which are nothing but be experimentally detected in the cancer cells. So not only you will find the particular protein-protein interactions which are associated with the cancer, but also the data which has been you will find in this particular Onco PPI portal is nothing but you will getting the interactions with the protein which has been experimentally being validated using the cancer cell lines with respect to different cancer type which has been there in this particular portal. So which are the different cancer types and what particular data we will get? So we will just move ahead by going ahead with respect to what are the different features which is available over here. So whereas you can also look ahead, that is a nice visualizations you will find in the home page, and you will get a little bit glimpse about what actually you can just do ahead by using this particular platform. So you will find this particular Onco PPI portal which has been integrated in one of the link which is called as the CTD2. There's nothing but the cancer target discovery and development. So what is that? If you want to find more about that, the separate platform it is there, so you can just click on that CTD2, and you will definitely find useful information by clicking this particular link. Okay, so we'll just move ahead, and this is nothing but the home page definitely. And what is there in PPI data sets? If I click on that, you will find a different versions which is available. So what is there in that particular portal? If you want to get ahead and find what is actually there, so you can just go through this particular publication, I think so, which has been published in Nature Communication. And whereas what actually they have done, so you can find that this onco PPI includes more than 300 high confidential PPI and relevance of that particular protein's interactions with the hub, okay, with the patterns of the particular protein, and you will find the particular oncogenic pathways, I think, which is most important to find the interaction, and also integrating what are the oncogenic pathways which are associated with the cancer type, and the novel mechanism and action of major oncogenes, and also the drivers and tumor suppressor genes. I think lots of data you will find by exploring this onco PPI portal. And what is there next? They have been mentioned over here. They have given MYC nano PCA. So I think MYC is one of the oncogenic pathways. So you will find more about what is MYC and what is the nano PCA. So if you want to explore more upon that, so definitely you can just go through this particular link, and you will find the PPI essentiality. So what is that? Again, the same thing. You can just explore this by taking this particular research paper as a reference, and you will find the therapeutic connectivity. That is nothing but the main thing which is there in this particular portal. That is the therapeutic use of the particular protein-protein interactions as a finding of druggable targets, and also looking ahead, what are the clinical evidences for the same. Okay, so you will find the networks with respect to protein and drug also. So not only you will get only the protein-protein interactions, but also you will find the protein and drug interaction network also. So I think this is very useful. Those who are working in the field of cancer and finding the particular interaction networks, finding the particular druggable targets, integrating the system biology aspects, and also integrating the genomics data. Okay, so definitely the in the Nature publications they have been published, so it will give you a very nice reference for more moving ahead for your research work. So moving ahead, you will find the data sets over here. So what is there in a network? If I click on the network link, you will find, yeah, that's okay. It is directing. So I think those who are working, the researchers or the PhD scholars who are actually working in the field of code science with respect to cancer related study, integrating the genomics data, and also with respect to different data sets with respect to finding the druggable targets. And also you can just move ahead for designing the precision medicine for cancer if you have the genomics data, if you have the driver genes or the different oncogenes in your hand as a panel of genes, and you can just move ahead by integrating the clinical data and further moving ahead with respect to designing the precision medicine for the same.